Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, it was a day of musical tributes, poetry and pain as scores turned up at the North Street Seventh-day Adventist Church in Kingston to pay tribute to 7-year-old Benjamin Bear, who was killed outside the Clancarthy Primary School on October 28. Representatives from the Education Ministry, who were also in attendance, assured the family that they will continue to provide support. There were also promises to intensify measures to ensure the safety of children in schools. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has our report.
Surrounded by loved ones, Jafine Campbell mourned one of those she loved the most, her son, 7-year-old Benjamin Bear. It's not the type of event that any mother is prepared to attend.
To me, he's just an angel walking amongst us.
Mourners packed the pews, offering tributes in all forms.
Struggle is real, but I got to stay alive. I'm staying alive.
From schoolmates.
This is not his wish for you to be sad. If I saw you in heaven, would you help me stay?
To teachers.
Mr. Bear, you are loved beyond words, and I miss you beyond measure.
To members of the political directorate.
It's hard, almost impossible, to imagine what his mother, what his sister, both sisters, his father, the entire family must be going through at this time.
But the main focus was Miss Campbell, who struggled to stay seated.
Stay strong. You're a strong woman like me. You understand? God have a plan for you.
Benjamin, who was crushed to death by an unmanned garbage truck outside the Clancarthy Primary School on October 28, brought widespread shock and condemnation across the island. Acting Permanent Secretary in the Education Ministry, Dr. Grace McLean, who attended the funeral service, assured Benjamin's family that the ministry will continue to provide support even after the dust settles. Dr. McLean also told the public that the ministry will be taking steps to ensure the safety of children across the island.
We do not expect lightning to strike in the same place at the same time or another time, but we know that accidents do happen. So we are committing to you, our Jamaican people, that we have already started the process to review our safety and security procedures at all levels to ensure that we protect our children.
My experience with these things is that things are said and then not always followed through. And I wouldn't want to accuse the Ministry of Education of that, but that has been my experience with other comments made by public officials. So we will need to try our best to make sure that if they're prepared to step up to the mark, as they said they would, then we remind them of that commitment.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.